Today we're going to look at an awesome audio effect in Ableton called Corpus. So we've got a little track here with a kick drum, snare and bass line, and it sounds like this. So we're going to slap a Corpus on the kick drum here, and this is how it will sound just out of the box. Not very good to listen to, but what we can do here is if we just drag that beam all the way down to this left corner, you can see how the milliseconds go right down. So you've got a very small amount of decay. We want to select either a pipe or a tube. In this case, we'll just select a tube and we'll just hear how it sounds. The idea with the Corpus is that you can add a little bit more high-end gloss. Just keep going until we can hear some. And if that's too much, you can just adjust your dry wet. So we'll just hear it with and without. And it's just really to change how that kick sounds, just really so it fits within your track. So we'll just leave that one alone, and now we're just going to listen to the bass line without anything. What we've done here was we've created a return track, and we've got a kickstart, a preset Corpus called Metallic Reso. We'll just take a listen to that on its own, and we're just going to apply some of that to the bass here. And we'll just increase the size of this a bit. So it's just making it sound a bit wider. So we're going to play another Corpus preset called Punchy Snare, which is just down here, to this snare drum. As you can see, it's a bit lifeless without any effects, but if we just apply a bit of Corpus, I just increase the decay a bit there, and we've got a membrane default. You can try any of these, or like plate would work. But I think membrane is just about right here. And we'll just hear now how everything sounds together. We just take that Corpus off, see the difference.